In just seconds, waste becomes wealth. And watch how billions of bottles die and reborn as unbreakable chairs. This beast devours plastic bottles alive and spits out furniture stronger than ever.
Every year, billions of bottles choke our planet, but here, they become chairs in minutes. The revolution starts now. In cities around the world, discarded plastic bottles begin their second life as valuable raw material.
Collected from homes and streets, these bottles are compacted for efficient journey to the facility.
The journey continues as trucks deliver tons of used bottles to regional collection points. Here, the raw harvest is sorted and prepared for the long trip to the processing factory. Compacted and baled, the bottles now head toward transformation in a dedicated recycling factory. Loaded and secured, the precious cargo embarks on its journey to the recycling and manufacturing facility. Miles of road bring the bottles closer to rebirth as durable furniture. At last, the truck reaches the dedicated facility where transformation truly begins. Precision positioning readies the bales for immediate offloading into the processing line. From truck to factory floor, the raw material enters its new chapter in sustainable manufacturing. Welcome to the heart of transformation, Area, a state-of-the-art facility turning waste into lasting furniture. Every day, dedicated teams enter to breathe new life into discarded plastic.
Here, the exterior meets the interior. Fine. Raw material begins its controlled journey inside. One bale at a time, the harvest of recycled bottles enters the factory's processing heart.
Crossing the threshold, the real work of rebirth begins under one consistent roof.
Once inside, the bottles immediately enter the first stage of purification and organization. Initial screening shakes loose the unwanted dirt and fragments accumulated during collection. Human eyes and hands ensure only suitable bottles advance to automated cleaning. Powerful air streams strip away the last traces of surface contamination. Water awakens the bottle's gut. The deep cleaning process begins with a thorough rinse and light separation.
Deep hot washing strips away every trace of adhesive, ink, and remaining contamination.
Pure water ensures no chemical residue remains, and the bottles are now ready for shredding. Heat and air complete the purification column, dry and ready for size reduction.
Advanced optics separate only the highest quality clear material for premium recycled furniture production.
The moment of true rebirth arrives, and bottles are reduced to raw flakes for a new form. Precision shredding transforms rigid bottles into thousands of manageable plastic fragments. Magnets safeguard the purity level. Only clean plastic flakes proceed to the next stage. Controlled heat removes every last trace of moisture, and the flakes are now perfectly prepared. Heat, pressure, and precision create high-quality recycled pellets, aerials, the building blocks of new furniture. Automated air transport delivers the recycled pellets exactly where they are needed, with precision and speed. Sensors and robots maintain perfect material supply to human efficiency without waste. High-tech molding machines awaken. Recycled plastic begins taking the shape of durable furniture.
Automated extraction ensures perfect parts every cycle. All YOHO. No human touch required.
Intelligent eyes never blink. Lickery. Only flawless components advance to final assembly. Robotic Precision assembles recycled components into sturdy chair skeletons.
Sharp tools refine every edge, ensuring comfort and durability in the final product.
Protective layers add resilience. Recycled plastic, now weatherproof and ready for use. Integrated strength points ensure these chairs withstand years of real-world demands. The finishing touch, a flawless shine, crowns the transformation from bottle to furniture. Every chair faces rigorous dimensional checks. Precision starts here. Static load verifies structural integrity crafting. Recycled material must bear real-world weight. Impact testing ensures durability against everyday falls and knocks. Accelerated weathering proves long-term fade and crack resistance in harsh sunlight. Flame tests confirm safety. Recycled plastic must resist ignition under real conditions.
Chemical resistance ensures easy maintenance. Everyday spills leave no trace.
Endurance cycling simulates years of daily use. Strength proven over time.
Efficient stacking design saves space, practical for transport and storage.
Every detail scrutinized. Only perfect chairs earn the final approval stamp.
Complete traceability closes the loop. Find from bottle to certified sustainable furniture.
Precise robotic stacking maximizes space and stability for efficient storage and shipping. Smart labels and tags ensure every pallet is traceable from factory to final customer.
From here, sustainable furniture begins its voyage to homes, offices, and outdoor spaces worldwide.
In climate-controlled storage, finished products await their next journey with perfect organization. In climate-controlled storage, finished products await their next journey with perfect organization.
Protective wrapping safeguards each chair for its journey beyond the factory walls.
A complete cycle of innovation. Waste reborn as durable, eco-friendly furniture.
Dedicated hands and smart technology make it possible every day.
Strong, sustainable, and beautifully simple. Enkeen, the end result of a remarkable journey.
And this is how modern factories produce durable, recycled plastic chairs and furniture from start to finish.